Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to clear cache on your MEXC mobile application. So in order to clear cache on your MEXC mobile app, you can do it right within the application, whether you are using an Android or your iOS device. First of all, open your MEXC application and then make sure that you're inside the home page. From the home screen of MEXC, tap on the human icon at the top left corner. Now, from the menu displayed on the screen, tap on Settings. Under Settings, scroll down and tap on Clear Cache. Click on Confirm and then you will then be able to clear your cache and delete temporary files from your MEXC application. Clearing the cache can help improve the app's performance, especially if it has started to slow down. So that is how you clear your cache for your MEXC application, no matter if you're using an Android or iOS device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.